Today we are taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Samsung's upcoming entry-level 5G smartphone. This one is aimed at users who want reliable performance, modern features, and 5G connectivity without spending too much. Starting with the design, leaks suggest the Galaxy A17 5G will feature a 6.6 to 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. That means you will still get vibrant colors and good brightness, even though it's in the budget category. And of course, we are expecting a smooth 90Hz refresh rate for a more fluid experience while scrolling or gaming. Under the hood, Samsung is likely going with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus processor paired with 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM and up to 128 gigabytes of storage. The good news is it should also support micro SD expansion, which is something budget buyers really appreciate. Now the cameras, we are hearing about a dual or triple camera setup, with the main one being a 50 megapixel sensor with OIS optical image stabilization. That's a solid upgrade for this price range and should make low light photography better. The front camera is expected to be 30 megapixel, which is great for selfies and video calls. Battery life is also looking strong. The Galaxy A17 5G will reportedly pack a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging, enough to last the full day with ease even for heavy users. As for software, it should launch with Android 15 and One UI 7. Plus, Samsung has been promising up to 4 years of updates and 5 years of security patches, which is rare for budget smartphones. Now the best part, pricing. The Galaxy A17 5G is expected to come in at around $215 to $300, making it one of the most affordable 5G smartphones with Samsung's trusted build quality and long-term support. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy A17 5G the best budget phone of 2025, or would you still prefer something from Realme, Xiaomi, or Motorola? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.